Can you get it?
I'm trying to see it. I can't see it moving. Okay, there we go.
See the lower bowl joints moving away there. We pulled this black shield down a little bit, just so we can get at this bolt back there. We're just unloosening the bolt on the ball joint. One side's 18, the other is 15? 15?
Yep.
15. Using the 18 ratchet. Turning the bottom bolt on the ball joint out with a 5/8. But really it should be the 15 millimeter. We're going to open up this spline. We're going to put the chisel in here to open it up. This is the way that the thing gets tightened. See, the bolt sits on the spline there and you tighten the bolt up. So now what we got to use is the chisel to open that up with.
That's right to the back.
Okay. Next thing you know, we're gonna pry the bolt joint off the control arm. We pried it off using these two crowbars. We put the first one up in there, and then we pried it off. Okay, 13/16 on the breaker bar. We're doing the back bolt. That one there. Is it moving?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. We're just setting it up for the next nut on the opposite side. We found that the 21 open end fits better on the top and 13/16 on the ratchet on the bottom. Okay, the open end got caught on the sway bar link, which is good. It's not turning the top nut. And we're still using the breaker bar on the bottom. And as soon as he gets it loose a bit, we'll change it to the ratchet.
Just about. You can even use a hammer and just give it a tap and it'll come down. Pass me the hammer there. This one just pull out.
Yeah. Sort of just like wiggle it out. Here, maybe spray some of this on it, Andrew. Here, spray some.
Oh, I see. Look, it's gonna puncture through. What's this?
It's the rubber.
It's gonna rip it.
That's fine.
It's fine? Oh, there we go.
There's the arm. See that long bolt? We're just giving it a little bit of lube inside there to make it. We're just lubing the nut up. We've got a grease gun. What we're going to do is we're going to grease here on the top, and we're also going to grease. We're also going to put grease on here and here. And when we're installing it, we're going to leave the cap on for now, the protector cap, so nothing happens to the rubber. close, isn't it? Maybe you want to push down on the arm at the back end, not on the ball joint side. Yeah. That's about right, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we threaded in that nut. We're at this stage here. We tied the knuckle towards the front of the vehicle. We just tied it up there to get it out of the way so I wouldn't damage the boot of the ball joint. Okay. See how close it is now? See, I can see through there now. Okay, I got the jack right back of the ball joint. And this bar, you want it sort of straight to get this bolt in. And we've got it sort of straight now. And you got to watch right there, your ball joint doesn't crunch on anything. Right now I've got the safety boot on it that you get when you get a new one, because you don't want to put a hole in that rubber. So that's about it. Now we just got to maneuver with the crowbar a little bit and we should be able to find the hole. Okay, now we can put the nut on the top. Okay. Oh, no, it's not lined up properly. See, I have to move it over. Okay, let go. I need a wrench. Okay, try that again. No, this way, right there, like that. Okay, it's sort of in position, Caleb. But just shake it this way and that way. Okay, the rest of the way we're going to put a hydraulic jack underneath here to push it upwards. Okay, you see it pushing up? Okay, a little more, just a little bit. Okay, now we'll take now we're going to take the chisel out and we're going to look through here and see if we can see. See, the only way to tell is if we can just put the bolt through here now. Okay, pass me the new bolt. Just like that. There, it's in place. This nut, 50 pounds torque you want on it for the lower ball joint. And we're going to tighten that one down first. I've jacked up the control arm just enough that the main jacks aren't leaving the body, and that's where you tighten up the bolts. You know, make the control arm seem like it's sitting on the ground with tires on it. So now we got two more bolts to tighten. We got one here and the one right there, and we're done this side. And the back bolts are around 80 to 100 pounds.